Hello, in this quick tutorial, you will learn how to import an HTML email template into HubSpot. You essentially have two main ways to do this, but the best method is you have to use Design Manager, which you can find on the left menu under the content, which is right here. Click that, and now that you're here, you have to choose create a new file, and then click next. And now choose your file name. It can be whatever. And now just click that and then click create. And now that you're here, what you have to do is choose your email template and then coded file. You can paste your HTML code directly into the editor and then publish it. And once it's saved, your custom template will appear under the custom or coded sections when you go to create a new email. And then if you just need to send a one-off HTML email, there's a quicker route. You can start a new email, which you can do like this. Click marketing and then click email and just wait for it to load and then click this button right here and click regular and just pick, and now you can just pick any basic template to open the editor, then just click this choose template. And now that you're here, you can um, you can find the actions drop down menu, and from there you can select view or edit HTML or source or paste your HTML and then click update. And please remember to ensure your HTML includes necessary HubSpot variables for compliance like the unsubscribe link, and always preview and send test emails to make sure that it looks perfect across all devices. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if this helped.